So I just wanted to provide her with some 3D experience so that she actually kids don't learn what they hear. Kids learn what they see. So it is very important for you to for the kid to see. They just catch like this whatever they see. If you keep on saying that don't play with mobile, don't touch the phone, don't sit in front of the TV, they won't listen, because they are seeing their family members doing the same. So this is how they learn what they see. So it is very important to keep them engaged in different kinds of works like this. This is a busy book for her. She can sit with this book for hours, and I don't need to worry about anything for during that time. So this is a concept of open and close. So this is a house or school or whatever. This is a building, and it has a door, and you need to open the door and you can close it as well. So it's very easy for her to learn about open and close. So this is my idea completely. The school has nothing to do with it. Now comes the big and small. It is very important to keep them engage in this kind of thing. This is also very interesting for them, and they can spend time playing with these things. So this is just a paper cutout. This is a big ball and this is a small ball. This is the concept of big and small. Now comes the concept of hot and cold. See, if you take this thing out, it is a hot cup of coffee or tea or whatever. Here was another, the ring of the cup. She somehow turned it while practicing this. And these are ice cubes. If you put this on inside this, it becomes cold. I mean cold coffee or whatever. It's very easy to make the kids believe whatever you think. Okay, so this is another concept about less and more. This is less, and if you pull this thing, this becomes more. These are just random stickers which I had at home, and this is a paper cutout.